slit like nostrils, healed skills, and death fading behavior. Oh, it's restricting.
Yes.
Si Reyna Clamor in USA. Payag sa Baybay Seafood and Grill. Sa sakalan ni Just
Yes, and of course, no, ang mamangyanisa ako yung friends, nag-message sila sa akin, mag-partner mo na si Roca.
Meet Elsevier Philippines. Discovery Capital Finance Corporation.
Davis Payne Philippines, Chica Don Velas, Jerry Dave Thomas.
Dito po naman area, we are going to welcome our next competing drive. But of course, no, nag-prepare pa sila sa kanilang mga props and everything.
Mission, ganun na yung kaya. Very playful, very enthusiastic.
Oh, optimistic.
Yes,
Di
so
ba?
it's nice when mga bayan niya sa first day kanina na niya, mayunayin kita yung tanan. And ako na yaman ako nagabinuligay lang.
Correct.
And manako kita sa everyone matters, everyone will have a space, and it is our duty to protect them.